Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to add collections to your Shopify website. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So this is your Shopify dashboard. So here in the Shopify dashboard, in order to add the new collections, so what are exactly the collections? So in the Shopify website you might have a huge number of products posted. So if you want to categorize them so that it will be easy for your visitors to search for your products according to their needs, so you can make some collections so which are you can make different categories and make them into the collections, so that your viewers or visitors can be easily segregate them, easily can access to them, get access to them. So firstly, we're gonna follow some steps in order to create the collection. So first step is to create a collection. So in order to do this, we go to the products page. So this is the products page. Click on the products, and here you can find the collections. So click on the collections. So if you previously have any collections, it will be appeared here, so like this. So when you want to create a new collection, you just need to click on create collection. So then now you need to give the title for your collection, so what kind of collection it is. So here you can find some examples. So there are some example like summer collections, under $100 collections, and stuff picks, so something like that. It's all depends upon your idea and your theme and your store and all. So then once you do this, so once you give the title, like let's say I want to categorize it to be some women wear, so I just give it to be women's. So this is what the title that I want to give. And when it comes to the description, you can give the description about the collection, like what all the collection is about. Like it's about some all the girly things, and all the things that are related to the women's and all. You can just woman, so you can give description about your collection, so what all your collection is about. And here in the collection type, you can just click on manual, and then you can just add an image for your collection. And then once you're all done, you can just click on the save. So let me just click on save. So now this collection is created. So we have successfully created the collection. And then to add the products, here you can find this browse option. So you can click on the browse option, and here you can find the products that you have added. As I have not added any product, and this is my very new Shopify website, so I don't have any products yet. But if you add any products, this will be reflecting over here. So you can just choose your products, like you can check the products and click on add in order to add the products. So in that way you can browse and add the products to your collection. And even as I have told you, you can even add this image, and also you can just choose this theme template. So it is to be the default collection. So once you're all done with this, you can just go back, or you can just click on view in order to view how your collection look like. So here I didn't added any products till now, so it looks like this. But you have added any products, it will be reflecting here. So then we'll just go back here. So for now we have completed the first step, that is to create a collection, and the second step will be adding this collection to the menu. So in order to add this collection to the menu, so from here you just need to go to the Shopify and click on the online store, and here you can find some options. So you can just click on this navigation option. So this one, click on the navigation, and then here you can just once click on the add menu, So click on the add menu item, and here you can give the name of your menu item. So let's say I just have given the name of my collection to be women's, and I here again give the name to be woman, and click on this, and here you can choose the collections one. So once you choose the collection, here it will show all of your collections that you have. So I'm going with my collection that I have just created. So you can even filter the collection with tags. So it's like hats, blue, some, and all the other things. So it's an optional one, you can choose it or ignore it, it's all up to you. So but this will make even more easier way for your customers to choose the products and all. So you can just do it, like you can develop your site as the time goes on. So then click on the add, so that this will be added to your menu. So once let's go to our website, and let's have a look at our website. So this is our home section of we can actually see how can we really change the look of our website. So for this we again follow two steps. That is, firstly we need to add the content to our home page. So to do this, we go to this instead of this default content, so which is having here, what if you want to add your own content. So to do this, we go to this home page, and here in this preview we can just so let me open this, and so you can see it how it looks like, and in the below you can find this edit home page. So click on the edit home page in order to edit your page, and it will take you to the editing section. So let it load, and once it gets loaded, we can see that all the sections which are available on this page are here, and you can see a list of options that that are available under the sections. So let's just click on anything. So let me click on this. So click on the talk about your brand. So this is my section, and then I can change the heading size, and I can change this text, like this is talk about your brand section. So then I have many things, like whatever is having here, I'm just having everything about that here. So there is no announcement bar, and here we have this button. So you can even change this button. So you can just change the text of this, you can change the button link, and then let's click on this icon to go back and go to the next section. So click on the share information, and here you have information about your brand. So you can just delete this all, and you can enter your own text and own things, like you can manually do it. You can customize your website, and then you can see some text here, and we have seen some product thing here. So you can select the product that should be looked like this, which needs to be looked like this, which should be featured like this. So then you can add the image padding to your product. Like once you add the product, you can just do it like it. So you can just click on the select product. So all the products in your Shopify dashboard will be appearing like that, which all you have created will be appearing here. So as I have no products, so I cannot see anything here, but you can even create the product from here. So then let's go back, and you can see like all the sections are here like this. So we can quickly edit everything, like all the text, images and all by using this options. And we can even change the button labels and button links and all. So this is how the first step is. So once you're done with the changes, click on the save in order to save all the changes that you have made now. So the second step is adding the products to the home page. So for this we need to choose a collection, choose the collection products, so that we have just created the collection of the products. So let's go back, and let's go back, and again let's start from here. Like let's go to the online store, and then click on the edit home page, and when you're on this page and you just let it load. So yeah, so once you're onto this page, you just keep it aside and then go to your Shopify dashboard, and here you just go to the products and click on the all products, and here you can find the collections. So go to the collections. So here you can find all the collections. So just select this home page and click on the create collection. So once you click on the create collection, you will be just landing onto this kind of page. So if you want to add this new collection, you can just create a new collection like this. So you can just give your title, your description, and your product tags, and also you can add any image for your collection, and you can just save it, or else you can just add the existing collection. Like you can just click on this and you can just open this home page, and you can see whatever is there on this collection. So in this way you can add the collections to your home page. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.